Boxing, what's going on? What's going on, YouTube? My people, trying a new camera angle here. So enough of the sitting down and stuff like that. So trying to just move around a little bit more, at least for like the introduction portion of the videos, right? I got my camera here that I used to use a lot, but it's 9:30, market open. We'll see what we do here. I'm gonna start trading here. Got the boys in the chat in here. Got Top Step right here, and it looks like it wants to go down. So yeah, we'll keep you guys posted on how things are going. Do kind of a recap today, later on. Show you guys the charts. Show you guys kind of what I've been looking at all week, how things have been going. Hasn't been wood. It's been a shitty week coming back from vacation, but yeah. About to take some trades here, waiting for that first macro to come. Looks like this thing wants to go down, but hopefully it does. Need the volatility to pick back up anyway, so keep you guys posted on the rest of the day, and yeah, we'll go from there. Peace. Yeah, I'm gonna wait to that first macro here. Book map looked heavy.
Yeah, I'll spread this out this week.
No, like this. It looks like there's a lot of, like between this, what is this, a 20 point area candle right here? Oh shit. That's 50 points. Never mind. Yo, that's 50 points top to bottom.
Bro, they whipsawing this bitch right now too.
Yeah, I ain't fucking with that. Nope. Nope.
That's why I said I'm just wait till the 950.
I thought it was like 20 points.
We also have some.
That shit is crazy.
At 10 too.
Yeah, I'm late for that first macro. Fuck all of that. Man, today was not easy, bro. We'll talk about it deeper when I jump into charts, but couple trades, too many damn trades, in and out of trades that I should have taken profit, but eventually I found the real direction of the market, and I'm in this trade right now. I'm up about, let's see if you guys can see here, 615 on this trade right here. Caught this long going up. We'll see where we go. This might TP up here, but might not let it go all the way till there. But yeah, shit's been insane. All right. So Friday, end of the week. Market's almost closed, so let's talk about this week. Kind of how we did throughout the week, especially today. We'll go over today real quick. What we did about 678 on two accounts, because I'm now copy trading my two XFA accounts, right? So 678 on two accounts, putting me at quick math, 1356 on the day. Great trade right here. I was in the shorts earlier this morning. I took the shorts from here, but I thought I was targeting down here, and it didn't end up working out. It pushed back up. Once it came like up here, I cut it for like $100-200, and then I jumped in the longs here, and my target right here was midnight price, right? So the longs worked out very, very, very well. Printed about $700. I was already down on the day, so printed about $700 on both of those accounts. On that trade, I also took the same trades on this 150K combine that I'm behind on, making 1900, and then this 100K combine that I started. I'm up about 2,000, so 1,200 on that one. So just gonna keep grinding that this week. I still have two XFA accounts that I passed already, but I'm not activating those yet because I'm hoping to pass a 100K and another 150K instead, right? So we're saving those in case we lose our 50K accounts. To kind of cover for those. So how do we do this week overall? So not a great week. You'll see the accounts are like, this one's at 538, and this one's at 331. These were activated this week, right? So I mean, good, we made money, right? But let's look at how we kind of did on the week overall, and then I'll show you the trades that got me here, right? So Monday about 249, took 2 trades. Tuesday was a red day. It wasn't working out. This was a day, it was one of those full-on trending days, right? It was just straight up going up. And whenever that happens, I have a shitty day. And you'll see right here, both this day and Thursday, same thing, right? Both days, it literally went straight up, and I had a terrible day. Why? Because typically my targets are midnight price, 8:30 price, London Open. And if we're not coming back to those and we're just riding away, I tend to force that reversal, which I'm getting away from, of course. But yeah, that's kind of how it went. And then I took that banger trade today, bringing me up on the week so far. So 3 green days, 2 more for a payout on these accounts. So just gonna, and I haven't received a pay, I'm taking a payout yet for August. So just gonna keep grinding these next week and the week after to see where we land. Get a nice payout from those, and then we'll go from there. But yeah, that's how the week's gone so far. Let me show you some of the trades that we took on here. So let's jump back in here. 1 second. Let's start. We're gonna start with. All right. So boom, Monday, right? So very easy day. You guys know how I trade. 950. Waited for the 950 macro to came in, right? 950 macro came in bearish. Came down here, touched this. Once we started getting back up, I jumped in here, caught about 100 points. I was only trading 3 micros though, so didn't make much, but it still worked out pretty well. And that was that for the day. I literally just did that. It was the first day back, so I was in and out the market. 2, I was trading my 2 accounts separately. So I had to take another trade on the other account, which I caught the short, this banger short right here coming down, this huge candle that you see on the 5. I caught that on the second account, called it a day from there. So that was Monday. We'll go ahead and scroll over. So here is Tuesday. Tuesday, I told you guys I had a red day right here. So Tuesday, we literally have, like you'll see, here's 9:30 open right here. From 9:30, we literally just kept on riding up. My target was midnight, and we did not even want to test back any of those prices. So literally just kept on riding up. I took this trade, trying to force the shorts, took a few trades there, and that was that. It didn't work out. I let it go from there. Moved on to Wednesday. All right, let's see. Wednesday right here. Boom, banger short right here. So we opened up 9:30. We had news on Wednesday, huge news. So my targets on news days are typically that 9:30, 9:50 macro. I'm usually targeting the news candle high or low, right? Depending on which direction price is going in, I'm targeting the news candle high or low. And this was my target for Wednesday, right? So I had the news candle right here. Took a short up here, caught about, I don't think I caught 110 points, probably a little less than that, maybe 80 to 90 points I caught on that trade. So yeah, caught that trade, targeted this. It went a lot lower, and then it price fully reversed. I definitely saw this coming, and I didn't end up taking it. I know some of the guys in the trader shop took this. Justin took this banger long going in here, and it just kept on riding up. So good on them, but I was already done, called it a day. And then we'll go into Thursday. Thursday, I got chopped the fuck around. Actually, here's what I did. So I caught this long right here for 44 points. After that, we came up here, and for some reason, I flipped my buys. I was like, okay, like this candle right here made me sell, so I ended up selling. Gave everything that I made right back, plus some. So that was my other red day, like 300 bucks or something like that. That right there sent me on tilt. I went on the 150K combine and started taking trades on there, forcing shorts, and kept on losing, right? So that was that. I called it a day shortly after that. Didn't let it get too crazy, and just moved on to the next day. I think I traded my 100K combine that day. I did about 1,000 or 800 bucks or something like that. So that was that. And we'll jump on here, and then that brings us all the way till today. Today caught this banger long right here. One thing that I did do, I held this trade way too long, which I keep saying like I need to stop doing. Once you see the red flags, and it's hard to do while you're in a trade, but that's something that I really got to get away from in order to kind of be more profitable. So that's how kind of how my week went overall. Basically all the trades that I took this week. I do want to update you guys on the expenses and things like that I've spent activating and acquiring new accounts so far. So we're gonna go ahead and jump on the Miro dashboard real quick, and I'll show you guys kind of where we're sitting. All right, so boom. This is August right here, right? So combines with Top Step, I bought that 150. I bought the 150K and 100K. 150K, I already resetted it. I failed it once, and that's my only time that I'm gonna reset it this month, because my expenses are pretty high compared to last month already. So I'm probably, if I failed this one, I'm not gonna activate it again. Just gonna let it be, and maybe take it again in September. 100K, obviously spent 100 bucks on that. Working on that as we speak. We'll see how that goes. If I do fail it, I'm probably not gonna buy another one, because I could just use that money to activate my other two Top Step 50Ks instead. So, and try to make money from that. Yeah, same thing. If I don't get that done, we'll go ahead and move it to September. And then activations fees for those two accounts right here. So total of 700, 700 total of 700 in expenses, and no payout yet. So that's kind of where we're sitting at for August so far. So I mean, once we do get a payout, that should help out with all the expenses and stuff like that. If we don't, then we'll call it, chalk it up, you know, as whatever, losses, whatever, and we'll move on to September. But that's kind of where we are on that road to 5K a month from trading. I'm sure I'm gonna get there by the end of this year. I spoke it into existence. I'm doing everything that I have to do in order to get there. So I'm just gonna keep grinding, and you know, keep moving from there. Thank you guys so much for again subbing, watching my videos, all that fun stuff. I'm gonna keep dropping more. I know I was on vacation for the past 2 weeks. Now I'm back, about to drop some bangers for you guys. Gonna keep going, and I do plan on starting another channel with just daily vlog stuff of just kind of how I go throughout the day. My life isn't that great, not that special. I literally work, trade, go to the gym, come home, cook dinner, watch a show with my girl, like that. That's about it. So that's kind of where we are now. So that's the plan going forward. So I'll keep you guys posted on how things are going with these accounts. Of course, how we end August. We got 2 more weeks, so I'm really excited about where we are, especially with taking 2 weeks off in August. I could have been doing way better, but hey, that's in hindsight, right? It could have been 2 losing weeks too. It is what it is. So we'll go ahead and move on. I'll let you guys know, keep you guys posted on where we end up the rest of next week and the rest of the month. Thank you guys again for subbing and subscribing, and peace.